Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today I am going to solve one particular problem from the domain course offered by Coursera, namely Python for Everybody. And coming to the particular course on that domain, the third course using Python to access web data. Here, most of my subscriber is struggling hard and try a lot to solve the problem and missing the little things and unable to get the certificates. So don't worry, I am going to cover this entire things and explain you each and every line and solve this bit for you. While coming to the matter, dear subscriber, the problem I am going to specifically going to solve from the sixth week of this course using Python to access web data, and the problem is the last one problem that solve and find the place ID using the GeoJSON API. But when we go inside the problem, actually you have to solve this problem using JSON API. Now coming to GeoJSON API, there is a lots of resources and material available on the internet. But coming to JSON API, there is very little information available on internet, and which is quite a little information to complete this assignment. So don't worry guys, let's get started. So I am opening this, and now you can see here in this program we have to use geolocation looks up API model after Google API to look up some university and parse the return data. So here we are going to use the third party tools and using GeoJSON API to enhance your learning experience. This tool will reference basic information like name, email and course ID. This is detailed, but actually when we go inside there is JSON API, not GeoJSON API. They have explained one demo sample problem. They have explained with GeoJSON API, but the statement given by them to solve you from JSON API only. So now open the tool. So I am opening the tools and I have already written the entire codes and try. So for time being I will just paste the code and I will solve and explain you what the code means and what are the modification you need on the GeoJSON API to extract data using JSON API. So you can read here calling the JSON API. So in the assignment you have to write the Python program something similar to this GeoJSON.py. This program will perform a location contact web, and these all things I know you well know about these all things, but here we have to find place ID from JSON. Note it, from JSON. So here API endpoint. What is the API endpoint? There is everything explained there, and these all are the to complete this assignment you should use this API endpoint and has to a static subset of Google data. So for completion you have to use this API, JSON API, not GeoJSON API. This is GeoJSON API.py and this is JSON. So this API uses same parameter address as Google API. This API has no rate limit, so you can test as often as you like. If you visit URL with no parameter, you get no address response. It means if we don't visit this given this given JSON API with parameter, no parameter, then we will not get address response. It will just give blanks and blanks. To call API, you need to include key. Noted, please note it. You have to include the key, that is key parameter you have to include, and provide address that you are requesting as address equal to parameter, that is probably URL encoded using URL library.parse.url encode function as shown in this. So here you have to solve, and you have to be noted for calling API you have to pass key and address. Now to make sure check that your code is using API endpoint is as shown above. Here shown as above means here you can go open and test it. Nothing is there, you can go and just check it out. So how they are using JSON, so how they are using JSON API, and how they are fetching those entire data. So here a little bit information is given for your hint. And now coming to you can test, here is test and sample execution is given. You can test and see if program is working with the location South Federal University, which will be place ID of, and this is the place ID. So how they are running this code, this API enter the South Federal and retrieving character this, and the place ID is this. And now in your turn you have to solve for this, the University of South Africa. For this you have to find the place ID from the given database. So make sure to enter the name, use case exactly as the above, and enter place ID and your program code below. And hint is the first 7 character of your place ID start with CSIJO91, and make sure receive the data from URL specific above and not the normal Google API. Your program should work with Google API, but place ID may not match for the assignment. So this is the thing, it must work with Google API, and sometime even your place ID is matching, but it will not let you complete the assignment if you have some errors. So you have to run multiple times, and at one instance it will accept and you will complete the assignment. So now I am going to explain you without using any external tools. You can just do everything live. So for this I will go for one site, online DB, and using online DB I can execute the code. Which code? Python code. So I need not to install, or you need not to install the Python, and you can save from the complex problem. Means complex process, you need not even save the file, modify and run. You can just run everything on the same page and complete the task. Oh sorry, this is searching using Yahoo, so it may take time. So let me go to Google. My net is a bit slow, so it is taking a little more time, sorry for that, but I am trying to complete it fast. If my net will not support me, I will pause the video for some instance, and as I recover the speed I will take you to the yes. So still I am getting problem with net, So let me refresh my bandwidth and refresh the net and check the bandwidth. Okay. I still searching for time. When I have to stop this video, pause this video sometime for some little time. Now I hope the net speed is recovered. So online DB, I am doing everything step by step so you can understand it better way and complete. As you watch the video, you will get entire information and complete without any difficulties. For your sake only, I am doing everything step by step. Okay, now this is open. Now I have to go. You go with Python 3 and you just let me once run it and show you. So hello world. So I will remove this and already I have the code. So here I have the code. I will just copy the code and I will put and here you have to input like this URL library dot request and URL library dot URL lib dot parse. So here is just I have imported as object. Okay, no problem, and import JSON. And this is service URL. In service URL you have to mention JSON question mark key equal to 42 and this is and symbol. You have to do this modification. Coming to GeoJSON API, you have to write here just GeoJSON API question mark and double inverted comma. But coming to GeoJSON API, you have to write this. Okay, got it? I hope you got it. And this is the thing which can be used in API. So I will remove this command line for time being. And this is from where you have to put this service URL. So for service URL, this is where is service URL. This is the URL. So to complete this, you have to use this. So I will go again here and okay. So chunk that this and okay up to this I will erase. Okay, so same way you do. Okay, so this is the key and input interlocation and remaining things you need not to do any modification. And for checking, first you have to check this test case. So for test case, what is the address? Address is South Federal University. So I will copy this, I will go here and I will run this. As I am experiencing net problem, so it may take some little time. So Control Shift V and enter. So it is showing sensor equal to false. Let's wait. It is retried. So sometime it's due to net speed. It's suffer from some net problem. So in that case, you can stop and you can again run it. Okay, Control Shift V, enter. So you can see here, this is the place ID I got. The last is AMDK. So here you can see here AMDK. This ID I got. You may be getting some confusion. So let me go here. Okay. and here it's copy. Let me copy. Okay, I will go here, Control F and Control V. So you can see here exactly it is matching. This is the correct things. And now come to our the turn, the actual assignment. I will again copy this address. Okay guys, I will copy this and again go to this. I will again run this and Control Shift V and enter. So now I got this is the ID. I will copy this. You'll do the same way. And I will go to here. I will just place the here and I will again go to here. I will copy this, copy and paste. You do the same process, and in case of any doubt, any problem, you contact me. So here it may be not so going to accept the answer. It may be. If not, then you try again. After 2-3 iteration, you will get. So that is the thing. And here you can see here the ID is CHIJO91. So this 7 first character is matching. So now this hope is the correct answer. So submit assignment. And your answer is correct. So now I have successfully completed this assignment. So thank you very much, subscriber. I will click here, done, and I will go here and I will refresh it and I will show you the tick mark so you can get every clarity. So you have passed, I have passed, and that is 100% score. So this is the entire process to solve the problem using JSON API. And in case of doubt, please to ask in comment section. I will definitely help you. And if you found this video useful and helpful, then please subscribe the channel and share with your colleagues and friends so they will also get a lots of help from you. So thank you again, my dear subscriber. Stay safe and stay healthy and stay happy. And soon I will also get back to you as I will get the multiple request on any particular other assignment problem. I will definitely help you there.